Okay, so here's Uncharted. Now, let's take a look at our character. We're starting out here in a close third. Okay, he sees the sand and the horizon up here, and we also see it. But we also see him. So if you can see your character, you're not inside your character like you would be in first person. We're in a close third here, okay? Now let's see what happens next. Okay, we're still in close third. We still see what he sees. Okay, he sees the view, we see the view. Here, now we've spun around and we are seeing our character from the outside. We don't see what he sees. He's looking at us and we're looking at him. This is a distant third. We're seeing him from the outside. We're not looking through his eyes. Now let's see if it shifts again. Okay, still we're looking at him in a distant third person. Now we're back to close third. Distant third, we're looking at him. Back to the close third. We're seeing what he sees, but we also see him. I don't think this game ever goes into first person. I think this is usually truly a third person shooter. Okay, but a close one. We're in close third most of the time. We see what he sees. He sees this gate, we see this gate. Now we see this entrance, he sees it. We see the ladder, he sees it. Okay, we're moving out a little, but we're mostly in close third. Still in close third. There, now we see him fall. We pulled back into a more distant third. These aren't hard and fast categories. It's a continuum. There are little increments and gradations. Here we're mostly in a distant third looking at him. I don't think this game ever goes into first person, but let's watch a little longer and see if it does. Still distant third. Okay, now we're in a closer third. We see what he sees. And here's a more distant third. We're still in close third, following him down. Okay, back in close third. Still in close third. Here we're in distant third. We're looking at him drink the water. He sees the water, but we cannot see the water. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I don't think this game ever goes into first person. It's either close third or distant third.